right, April 5th update on Sofi. It's been a while. It's been like about 5 or 6 days since I updated on this stock, and it's following basically the exact path that I laid out, which feels good. It doesn't feel good that I'm a long-term shareholder, but it feels good that I have it mapped out correctly. And I think in the last video we were probably around in this area, and I figured that this would be the C wave, and then we would start down. And sure enough, we did start down. And now we're getting the narrative of the cancellation of the student loans being extended to possibly August. We haven't heard it from Biden yet, but that's causing a sell-off. Plus, the market was pretty red today. But none of this is coincidence, in my opinion. It's just, they use the news to justify the price action, in my opinion. From what I've seen, from when I've been charting, it seems like the news always comes out at the right time, and the stocks usually follow a predetermined price or predetermined move. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into Sofi. So we had A, B, C, B, and then C right here, which was X, the X wave, and now we're on the A wave. And we had first wave right here, down to 920, and then right here everyone was getting excited, but you can't get excited until we clear this right here, 1057. We didn't come close to that. We went to about 1007. Clear second wave, we did about a 0.618 fib retracement. See, I had it right here already lined up, and now we should be on the third wave. I have this going all the way down to 830-ish to 840-ish, and people won't believe it, but we're probably going to go to all-time lows again. That's my thesis, and it's been my thesis for the last week or two. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here at 740 to 766. And, I can make that prediction because I know where to get stopped out at if I'm wrong. And I have the chart. I've charted it, and I have it set where I think it's going to go. If I'm wrong, that's fine. I'll get out of my puts and my covered calls, which I sold. Originally, I loaded up right around this area, sold them right here, around in that area for the first wave, and then I rebought the puts and sold some more covered calls up here. Already bought back a few of the covered calls. We'll see how tomorrow goes. We might get a bounce back up here to like 950, 960, and then a third wave of the overall third wave down to here, and then a bounce, and then 830-ish, and then probably a bounce to about 875, and then the final leg down to 740 to 767. And then let me go ahead and zoom out and show you. I've gone over this in the other videos, but just give you a road map of where I'm expecting everything to go, which obviously this can change because this is weeks and months out. But if we go down here to the all-time low at 740 to 765, then we're going to bounce for the B wave to probably around $9.90 to $10. So if you're freaking out about buying shares around $10 at the high nines, then you're going to have another chance to sell before we do the last leg down, which could potentially take us below $7. And that would be the end of a 333 correction. Long drawn out one, and who knows, this could go into June or July. We don't know. And the market, is kind of dead during the summertime. Maybe not this year, but usually stocks the volume kind of goes down too. So they could easily just low volume sell off into the summertime. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. It's not a very optimistic charting of what stock that I actually hold is, but I'm just trading around it, hedging my bets or hedging my long position, and making sure that I'm making money so I'm not losing the opportunity cost on other stocks, because I put myself in a bad position by buying higher than I am currently. But I'm not going to sell for a loss when I think this stock has, can do 5 times in the next 5 years or so. So that's kind of my view over the next couple weeks. In summary, I think we're going to hit 750, bounce to 10, and then bounce down here to 650 or fall to 650 to $7 for a bottom. And I would just make sure you got some puts, sold some covered calls, and you have cash ready to buy. I'll probably be buying pretty big around in this area, and then I'll ride it back up here, probably sell. Maybe you get some calls down here. I'm not really sure yet, but that's kind of what's going on. Let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure you like and subscribe so I can give you more updates on the stock and other future stocks as well. And if you have any ticker requests, please leave those in the comments as well. I'll see you in the next video.